Welcome back, everybody. I am going to make a video on putting the hardtop on the Bronco Raptor. Now, I'm not making a video about taking it off because I completely forgot to do that when I was taking it off. So I thought I'd just do it on, put it on, which I think is probably okay because there's a ton of videos on taking it off. But sometimes there might be questions about, you know, is there a particular order on when putting things back on. So just to show you where I stored the things, here are the panels that go over the driver and the passenger. And then obviously here you can see this is the one that goes over the rear passengers. And of course it's sitting on the trunk section. You start, I believe, let me see, the panels sit on top of each other in the front. I think the passenger side goes first because it will sit on top of the driver's side panels. So I'll go ahead and get started on that. Okay guys, so here are the two front panels. And like I said earlier, you can tell if you come in, you can see that this is the section that fits over. And if you're ever just confused, I actually just saw right now that there's a sticker over that says front LH. I think that means front left hatch. And then the other one has one that says front right hatch. Not very heavy. I'd say this is 10 pounds, maybe? Just walk it in. Oh, there we go. I forgot. There we go. When I took these off, I was having a hard time right now because I closed this back up, which is the hook. Oops, which is the hook. So I was having a hard time putting it back in. I was like, why wouldn't it go back in? Because I had it set up wrong. Let me see. I still feel like something's off. So that goes. Okay, so little error. Good thing I'm making this video for everybody. Apparently these do not go first. I think it's this back part that goes first so that this has something to sit on. So I'm gonna go try that because I was able to put this on, but that gap right there just didn't seem right. So I'm gonna put the the middle section first and then go from there. This is the middle part of the middle section, and you can see that the front parts will sit on that, so I think that does have to go first. And I'm hoping that I don't have to put the very back part first, like go in complete reverse order. Maybe I do have to go in reverse order. Maybe I should just do that. Do this part first, just in case. And I think you got it over there? I don't know where to put it. Just hold it for a second. Well, it's obviously going too far. So, bring it back. Let me bring down my side a little bit. I think maybe you should have done it.
Bring your side down.
All right, mine's in. It just goes into those little holes. Oh, there you go. Your Bronco or Raptor, I think all the Broncos come with it, come with a toolkit. So all the bolts are stored in here. I'll show you which ones they go. This also comes with a kit. That's so that you can torque them down. And it comes obviously with this part, but I don't use this until the very end just to snug it up, and I'll show you what I use instead that makes it quicker. They do sell some aftermarket replacements for this that have a knob that just twists down, and that would make it easier, but I think my method is actually faster. So I bought this for the drill many years ago, and I have used this tool so many times, and this is one of the times. So if you've never seen it before, it's just super easy. Just put it into the drill. This is the whole tool. Put it into the drill. Snug it up. This is how it comes from Ford, and then you can buy these little extensions for drills, and it just fits into that. Oh, sorry, wrong side. It fits into that. And then you just put that in there, and this makes it so much easier. So you can sell it to get those in there quickly, and then you can just carefully snug them up. And actually, let me just show you guys. There are. Let me see. Let me do this side. Maybe it's a little easier. 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they're on both sides, and then on top there's 2 holes here. Now, something special about these, I have seen a whole bunch of videos and everybody had just one. I don't know if this year model or they changed it up and they only went to 1, but if you watch other videos, there's only 1 bolt, and I was surprised that mine had 2. So I have 2 there and 2 on the other side. You just put it right there. Put it in there, just hold it. Then what I'm gonna do afterward is put this on here and then just make sure that it's snug. There you go. So a little update for you guys. I was missing 1 bolt for the top and I could not find it, and I was like, let me show you what I'm talking about. I think I already did earlier, but see how there's 2 bolts here? Well, over there's only 1. And I was like, I know I took 2 off. Well, at some point I left it and it must have just fallen, gone through the crack, and it was laying in there. Are the power and the water, and these are holders that are built into the car. So I'll just show you. They just clip on, and they just clip on, and then the water one has a little button right here. You just push that in, it slides out, and then this has a little clip that you push down on, and it slides back out, and to where they actually go. Not sure it's this way or the other way. There you go. And for the wipers, let's see here. Oh, I think I need to push this down. Yeah, you need to push that little button down and it'll clip. I find it helpful when doing this middle part to slide the seats forward, because we're going to bring it to the top and let it rest and then get inside and kind of carry it in. So just to give ourselves a little more room, just slide it forward. That's good. Doesn't need a ton of space. This is the front, right? Yes. This is not very heavy, but it is a little cumbersome. So it's sitting down. Just lift it. Come in, so I don't know, so make sure we get good audio. And then this just, oh, you know what, I think these are up. Yeah. All right. There we go. And then I think, yep, there we go. And then I'll take that. And then we just close these up. And there's one more back there. Can you do that one? There we go. And the first things we did were these hooks right here. One on each side. And now we just do the front. So now we're just gonna do the front ones. You start with the passenger side, and like it would go like this, because that's where that one is going to rest on it. So these are definitely the easiest ones to put up, and to the lightest. So just get them up there. And it's there. I'm going to close this right here. And there's one more right here. And one more right here. And then we'll go to the other side. And the left side, and again, you can always tell the front because of the hooks. And speaking of hooks, let me open it. Otherwise it won't sit right. So there we go. And just bring it in. Close this one up. And this one right here. And this one right here. And we're good. So yeah, if you remember from the very beginning, I was all messed up thinking I had the order wrong. So when you take it off, you start from the front, you work your way back, and then to put everything back on, you just do a reverse. Start from the very back and work your way forward. I hope you guys got something out of this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one. Oh, we have a beach day coming up, so the next video will kind of be things we do to take the Raptor out to the beach. See you at the next one. Bye.